Okay.
Hi everyone, myself Archana with my teammates Mr. Madhusudan Rao, Satish and Sai Pravan. We are going to demonstrate our project sugarcane harvesting robot with the help of Internet of Things under the guidance of Professor Sanjeev Dobai and Associate Professor Mr. Chinnaya, and we are from BVRIT. India stood top number 2 in the world as sugarcane producer across the world. Facing serious economic, environmental and social challenges, even as a raw sugar prices are rising, increasing cost of cultivation and poor yields are making so many problems for the farmers. The problem is further aggravated by the low support minimum price offered by the government, which has production costs surprisingly incomes and it rises surprisingly. Environmental issues like declining water bill, degradation and soil pose major threats to cane farmers. As a result, smallholder farmers are shifting to more profitable crops, leading a sharp fall in sugarcane area. To overcome this problem, we are introducing sugarcane harvesting robot in the field by using IoT. IoT means Internet of Things. The main aim of the robot is to harvest sugarcane plants in a field using Internet of Things and BeagleBone Black. Monitoring of surroundings is done by web camera mounted in the robot. A cutter mechanism is implanted on the robot to cut the sugar canes from the root level in the field, and also it will have a small bag to carry the small pieces to cut off the robot. Robot is controlled through the internet with the help of Wi-Fi dongle connected to the Texas Instrument BeagleBone Black. We are introducing this project with the help of Internet of Things. IoT is a network of things integrated with electronic, thereby enabling the application to achieve a greater value and service by transferring data between the machine and embedded computing system, which is able to interoperate within the existing internet structure.
As the cost of sugar is hiking every year, we thought of proposing a solution where we are using robotic system in order to harvest the sugarcane plant, and we are using BeagleBone Black processor, which is the heart of the project, and we are using Internet of Things for communication, and the customer will navigate the robot with the help of live streaming, which is where we are capturing the images using web camera which is mounted on the robot, and where we are using some Wi-Fi adapters which is connected to the BeagleBone Black processor, and we are using some all-terrain robotic chains for navigation of robot on all-terrain surfaces, and where we are using Cloud9 IDE platform for designing IoT Internet of Things framework. And here in this framework we are using robot control which navigate the robot on all terrain surfaces, and we are using a control for camera where it can capture the images for 360 degrees. We have designed an Internet of Things framework in such a way that the user can navigate the robot with the help of some buttons which are created on the Internet of Things framework, and we are using some buttons for navigating the camera in 360 degrees, and we are using some graphical user interface for cutting the sugarcane plants, and we are using some grippers and lifters for holding the sugarcane plant. Once the cutting is done, then it can hold the sugarcane bunch and it can drop into the basket which is mounted on the robot, and where we are using some user-friendly environment where one can harvest the sugarcane plants very easily. And now let's go for Internet of Things framework demonstration.
Now this is the framework where we are going to control the sugarcane harvester, and this is controlled by IoT. You can see the sugarcane field here. From this, for the navigation we are using some buttons. For moving the robot front, I am now pressing the front button. Later on, in the parallelly camera left and camera right are used to rotate the cameras. Now the robot is at halt. So the gripper, we are using gripper to catch the sugar canes. Later on, the cutter is made to move from left to right so that the sugar canes are harvested. Now the sugar canes are harvested and the gripper is holding the harvested sugar cane pieces. Now I am controlling the gripper to turn left so that it is in horizontal position, and moving the lifter upward direction to place it in the truck. Now the lifter is placing the sugar canes in the truck, and
Hand down.
okay, and the truck control is here, where we can move the truck up and down. So we need to move the robo back to the field entrance of the field, so that the sugar canes are placed in the place where it is safer place. Now I am showing the truck control up. The sugar canes are falling down, and later on the truck down will be controlled.